Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing essentials. Install the Tapo app and sign in, then plug the smart plug into power so its LED blinks. This shows it is in pairing mode. Once done, open the app and choose Add Device. The app will scan for the plug. Make sure to have your 4 GHz Wi-Fi SSID and password visible because the plug only connects to 4 GHz. Start pairing immediately to avoid the plug timing out. You now connect and configure. In the Tapo app, pick the discovered device, enter your 4 GHz network password and tap Connect. The plug uses this to join your LAN. Once connected, name the plug for voice control and assign a room so routines make sense. Next, set schedules or timers. This automates lights or appliances. If you want present simulation, use away mode. These steps let the plug respond to both manual. Finish by testing. Turn the plug on and off from the app, then press the physical button to confirm local control. Enable firmware updates so security and features stay current, and enable energy monitoring if your model supports it to track usage. If the device fails to pair, reset it by holding the button for 5 to 10 seconds until the LED blinks quickly. This clears prior config and forces a fresh pairing. If problems persist, power cycle your router and retry the app setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.